Hi everyone. Are you a medical student or you would like to understand more about your human body, or are you just curious that you want to teach your students about how your body functions? So then you can come to this tool. It's called human.biodigital.com. So this is the most complete, scientifically accurate and virtual human body ever assembled. You can give anatomy, health condition and treatments all visualized in interactive 3D. So I have logged in using my Google account here. So I'll say for myself, it's free for 1%. If I want to teach for students, there's a number of days that it takes. So what role does it describe? So I'll say I'm an industry professional. Okay, so now it's loading. We make it easy to visualize the human body for educational needs, all in interactive 3D. So you can browse the digital library for 3D models for components of your curriculum. So you see various parts and how it functions and all those things here. Say I'm particularly interested in dermatology, then I can say I want to know more about it. So this is the human body. As you can see, it is also available in VR. You have this human studio where you can go through the details of each body parts to see how it works. In-depth detail you can get in. So let's say I'm just looking at hair. Let's see, is there something related to hair? Okay, so this is the various hair related things that is there. So now if I look into the abdomen wall, okay, so let me look at this. So it will load the 3D model and you can see the level of details it has. Okay, so let it load. It's like almost loaded. So once it is loaded, you can see the bones in complete 3D. Now if you want to see the organs within that, you can see the ribs. So if you look at, so this is the question, left superior epigastric artery. So now if I want to get more details, so this is something which has been published by someone. Now if I go to this abdomen transaction section, so if you look at various body parts, let's say kidney. Now see, this is the view of the kidney. Now if I want to get more details understand about kidney, then so this is laparoscopic donor nephrectomy, right? So if you look at it, where exactly is kidney in the body? How is it located? So you can get details of it. So you can draw here, you can hide the labels, you can get a 3D navigation tutorial. Now if you look at it, you can see various placements. You see this? This is the dissection of the ureter. So in this way, you can understand more about your human body. So if you see how it is carried out, when I clicked on it, it's showing how it is getting carried out in 3D. So how the dissection of the ureter is carried out. You see this in 3D. So this is the left ureter. Then it will show dissection of renal artery veins. So it will show you various complicated procedures using this. So I hope this information is useful to understand more about your human body. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.